Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm be doing an unboxing of this Calibur Shinobi 670M and a Sphere shell or black shell 385S. Let's get this unboxed, shall we? Oh shit. Oops. That didn't go through. Come on there. Oh, shit. Okay, yep. Nope, I got it. Good. Come on. There. Got it. Okay. Okay, there we go. Really happy to get this. Okay. Shit. There we go. Let's get on to this black shell recolor. QR code. And it's sharp. And here's the big major guy why I got this bay. Really cool to get this. 660. And this cool tip. But yeah, goddamn. A big ratchet snapper right here. But yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.